Welcome to the Four-Wheel Jive channel. Here we speak Land Cruiser and love them big and small. Thank you for watching our content. Why not subscribe? It's free.
Thanks, Brian. Today I have for you a Hot Wheels 56th anniversary Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 pickup truck. Its metal flake teal body rests on a orange chrome chassis with orange chrome beadlock wheels. The yellow Hot Wheels swish emblazons the doors, and the 56 Hot Wheels anniversary deco is on the rear of the bed. The Toyota white lettering on the tailgate is missing, as are the taillight decos. It's too bad that Hot Wheels elected to skip over the decos for the headlight bezel and the turn signals on the fenders. Also of note is that Hot Wheels decided to skip the iconic white roof, but that can be forgiven because this is a pretty good looking model. Still made in Malaysia and 2020 copyright. Here is the current lineup of the 5 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 Hot Wheels pickup trucks. Do you have a favorite among these 5? I tend to like the black one, but all of them look really good. It's kind of a hard choice. Hot Wheels made this FJ45 stand out by not having the Toyota on the front and on the grille, as well as the lights in tampos. Also, it doesn't have a white roof like the standard FJ45 does, but it's a good looking model in spite of that.
We hope you enjoyed our video and give it a thumbs up. What did you think of this video? Leave a comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time, my friends.